So we're gonna continue moving forward on this pancake journey. Now we're up to the Dutch baby. It's a German pancake. Why it's called the Dutch baby? I Googled it. The story goes, there was a German family. The little girl couldn't say Deutsch. She said Dutch. She's a baby, so Dutch baby stuck. Regardless, it's a tasty pancake. It's a super simple recipe. I know I've said it before, and we're working with the same ingredients. Here they are. 1 cup of whole milk, 3 eggs, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You're gonna start off with preheating your oven to 425 degrees. Get yourself a pan that's oven safe, non-stick. I like breaking out my cast iron, and we're just gonna stick it in the oven. We're gonna leave it in there while we do everything else, and by the time we're done, that should be done. An important thing to note is that the Dutch baby has a little puff to it. And since there's no leavening ingredient, it relies solely on heat. More specifically, uninterrupted heat. So we're gonna help it along by heating up the milk. So let's go. Everything goes into the blender: milk, eggs, all-purpose flour, sugar, salt. Blend on low. Then gradually increase the speed. This here is the consistency that you want. It should take about 10 to 15 seconds. Grab your preheated pan out of the oven and add the butter. Once it's melted, pour all your batter in and go directly back into the oven for 20 minutes. Look at the edges. You can see it already start to cook. You're gonna wanna check it at 15 minutes though, because all ovens maintain heat differently. Look at how gorgeous this is. You get the crispy edges, it's puffed up beautifully. It's like a pancake pizza. It's traditionally served with lemon juice and powdered sugar. I love it like that. I zest some lemon on top to really drive in that lemon flavor, and that's it. So some quick reminders are: warm your milk up, use a heavy pan, like a cast iron pan, so we can retain that heat. And also, don't open that oven. And basically, you just cut into it like a pizza.